Thank you for watching. Hi, this is Ayako Sekiguchi from Wellness Kitchen. After cutting Goya, do you soak it in water or boil it? Actually, there are many benefits to microwaving it whole. I believe rubbing it with salt, then washing and rinsing removes the Goya's bitterness. But you end up losing a lot of vitamin C and the unique, wonderful nutrients of Goya. That's why I highly recommend cooking it whole in the microwave. I'll show you how to make a great dish with a whole Goya that helps prevent summer fatigue. Since it's a nutritious side dish, please enjoy it with plenty of rice. The ingredients are Goya, canned tuna, and similar fish like salmon or mackerel, which is fine. Bonito flakes, ground sesame seeds, soy sauce, and vinegar. By adding canned fish, you can get protein and vitamin D, and ground sesame seeds help supplement iron, calcium, and antioxidants. You cover the bitter melon with plastic wrap and microwave it. However, if you put it in as is, it might burst. You can also make a slit in it. This time, I think I'll cut it in half and wrap it in plastic wrap. Even if the opening is just a little bit open, it helps prevent it from bursting. Yes, and it's fine if you just loosely wrap the plastic wrap around it. It's hot, so do it over the plastic wrap like this. Rinsing with water prevents nutrient loss, so let it cool like this. Okay, once it cools down enough that you can hold it with your hand, it's fine. It's cooked just right. Now, at this point, we'll remove the seeds and the pulp. Since it's already heated, you can easily scoop them out with a spoon. It's really easy. Cut it however you want and pick your preferred thickness. This time, I want to slice it thin for easier eating. It's so colorful and looks really beautiful, doesn't it? And since it's ready to eat as is, it's really simple and convenient. There's no loss of nutrition, so it's a win-win. This is Goya that's been microwaved and cut. Microwaved. Honestly, I ended up eating a whole one all by myself. This one has oil in it, so all the flavor has melted into the oil. That's why I add it together with the broth. If you're using the non-oil type, I think it's fine to add a little sesame oil or something for extra flavor. A bit of oil helps your body absorb beta-carotene from bitter melon. Now, add ground sesame seeds. Ground sesame seeds are really rich in micronutrients like iron, calcium, and antioxidants, so just adding a little to various dishes is a great way to boost nutrition. It's great for getting more nutrients, so I recommend it. Don't worry about how much dried bonito flakes to use. Just add as much as you want. I used a little extra this time. I'm seasoning with soy sauce and vinegar, adding them by eye without measuring. Please use your favorite kind of vinegar as well. I'm using a rare apple and persimmon moromi nigori vinegar, which is special for its acetic acid bacteria from the moromi. It's especially recommended for people who are conscious about gut health. Nigori vinegar has a mild acidity, so I'd like to add a little more of it. The finished taste will change depending on the type of vinegar, so please adjust it to your liking. The two main nutrients in Goya are vitamin C and the compounds responsible for its bitterness. It's memorticin. Goya contains as much vitamin C as kiwi, which helps boost immunity and aids in the absorption of iron and calcium. Memorticin helps stimulate appetite, improves liver function, lowers blood sugar and blood pressure, and also contains folic acid, which is important for cell growth. Since all these nutrients are water-soluble, it's much healthier to prepare Goya without pre-processing and to be creative with seasoning. I've finished making a nutritious side dish using a whole Goya. It's a make-ahead dish with microwaved Goya to help prevent summer fatigue. I'd like to tell you how it tastes. Please excuse me for standing while speaking. The subtle bitterness adds an accent, and since the umami and sourness are well balanced, I think it's perfect for stimulating your appetite. Bitter foods are known in medicinal cuisine to cool excess heat, and Goya is considered effective for preventing early heat symptoms and swelling. Use it to fight summer fatigue. Microwave Goya and serve with mayo and ground sesame seeds. You can mix it, add it to omelets or stir fries, or eat it as is. You can also add it to salads or vinegar dishes. and so on. I